Hey everybody, happy Friday! While it's not Wine Friday today, it is Pumpkin Spice Friday because I'm enjoying a pumpkin spice cold brew, cold foam drink. I almost just dumped it all over myself. I'm so sorry. Okay, I digress. That's my fun for the day. We are traveling to Savannah, so I'm not live, as you can tell. I'm wearing the same thing I wore last night. Notice? That's because I have to record all my videos in like a couple different segments of time during the same day because it makes it easier. Okay, enough about that chit chat. I'm CreativeSarah, and I am going to create for you using our It's October Witches transfer. That is a really cute one. Let me read the sayings for you. It's October Witches. Let's get spooky. Broom hair, don't care. Keep calm and scare on. Today, I'm going to use Let's Get Spooky and the witch's hat because I think it's cute. I will use all of these eventually to add to my Halloween decor. Now that it is September, we need to get our acts together, people. We need to be creating for Halloween so we can get that out in October. OMG. All right, it's still 80s here. It's still lovely summertime weather. It won't be fall till the end of, oh, I don't need to cut all of it. I just need this one. Fun. It has a little spider web and a broomstick. We will definitely use these also. Of course, there are wood cutouts available called It's October Witches on the CreativeWoodCutsShop on Etsy for each sentiment and each image. I'm not using all of them today. I'm using the one. Let's get spooky. Of course, I'm not quite 100% gonna just use it like that. So let's see what I do. Any guesses as to what I'm gonna do? I'm trying to straighten this out for you. That's a little better. What do you think? Well, time's up. I am going to paint this, and you're gonna find out just how cool our black velvet paste is because the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna say it, black wash this. Now I'm going for the look from one of my previous designs, this look right here. Do you guys remember when I created this? I'm going for this like black wash look. It's not solid black. And I think it's gonna be really cool. So I'm just gonna kind of try to get that water all over. Perfect. And then we just pick it up and start going. It's nice and it goes on nice and smooth because I added that water. You could do it either way. You could put it in a color tray or not. Sometimes I like to be lazy and just do it like this, and sometimes I will pop that chalk into a color tray. All right, now I'm going to get the inside and I just kind of rotate it around so that I have all of it covered. As that water evaporates and the paste dries, you get the look that I'm going for. I actually like this better than using a gray. So I kind of want a lighter black, which some would say maybe a gray like our storm, but no, I want this, and I want that wood showing through the background. That's kind of what I want. All right, so now that this is ready to dry, I'm gonna set it aside, and I'm gonna do the same thing to these guys right here. Oh my gosh. I clearly have splattered my chalk paste all over my arm and my table. Oopsies. Okay, thank goodness it cleans up easily. Doing the same thing here, little water, and we're just gonna wash this with a little black. There we go. I like to, there we go. Hold it down with my detail tool so I don't get my fingers all yucky. All right, perfect, perfect, perfect. So it's not a gray, it's not pure black, but it is like a spooky black color. And that's what I want. Okay, clean out my brush. Now we're gonna dry this. If you are new, go ahead and comment VIP. I'll send you a link where you can join my free crafting group. You'll get more ideas, inspiration, and insider information. If you have never, ever, ever tried chalk, you're going to want to. And an easy way to try it is to get a sample. Go ahead and comment sample. And I'll send you a link where you can get your sample. Okay, now we want to, we want to make sure that that's dry. All right, good enough. It's not wet. We're going to grab our transfers. Before I do anything, put a B for back on the back of these. And I'm going to wax this. So let's grab some surface wax. There we go. Feels good. Done and done. Now, you are probably going to want to have like a little light box, or you might be good to do it on your own. But I like to have a little light source underneath my wooden blocks. So if you have an iPad or a tablet, I use a app called My Light. You can see that right there. And I will be using that. Turns your screen white, so you can use it as a light box. I'm going to fuzz my transfer with our fuzzing cloth. A couple times, just get a little bit of lint on there. And then line it up. Perfect. Now, I kind of want to see, this is our shimmer shadow. I'm not sure if this will show up. Gall darn. Let me, my nails, I just got my nails done, so they're a little bit short. Let me get that open. Let's see if it's going to show up. I'm just going to do the tail end and see if it's going to show up. It does show up. Okay, let's go ahead and use our shimmer shadow up there. I'm going to get my, this is my multi-tool. It's a nice, easy squeegee size for doing small pieces like this. Oh, shoot. Okay. We got a little issue going on. Okay. There we go. Usually I'm pretty good, but I got that stuck on the tablet, and so it moved on me. But we should get out of here with a pretty decent, there we go. Okay, so that one's done. Let me peel this up. I'm going to do this E again. Perfect. Let's get spooky. All right, you guys can see that. I'm going to set it up here. Ooh, I love it. And then we will wash this transfer. All right, now we need to do our little hat. But the hat is not going to be shimmer shadow. The hat is going to be the amazing shimmer plum. It's going to be so cool. So here is our shimmer plum color. Don't you love it? There we go. Shimmer plum. It's such a cool color. Very purpley and shimmery and witch hatty. All right. Done with that. Okay. So cool. OMG. All right, let's get these dried. And we are going to attach these, put a little hot glue wherever it needs to go. Just kind of center that in there. And then our hat. Oh, I love it. That is so cool. So, so cool. I think we can leave it like that, and it will be an adorable addition to any of your decor pieces. Or we can zhuzh it up a bit with just a little, gosh, I'm trying to think if I even want to, you guys. I kind of like the look. I don't want to ruin it. Oh man. I think I like it just like that. I don't want to add anything foo-foo-y. We could do like some burlap around it and some black. Nah, I think we should leave it. Oh, you guys, this is so cute. It really is really cool. Let me hold it up for you so you can see. And this is a great, I'm looking at, oh, you guys, how about some Spooky Cider Lane candle from Bath and Body Works? It smells so good, like apple cider. And your little spooky, turn on your candle. Turn on your candle, light your candle, and what a cute combo. I love it. All right, you guys, thanks for watching. Have an let me put this in the light so you can see. Have an amazing weekend. I'll be back here live Monday, 8 p.m. Eastern time. All right, have a great weekend, everybody.